Hello sa lahat. I'm here again. Ayan ang aking share. May drinks, mango, with ice. Ang aking food. So yummy again. Ayan ang toge, ginisang toge again. And may rice, fried eggs, and fish, fried fish. Lagi lang tayo kumain ng sustansyang pagkain. Yummy. Happy lang palagi. Yan. Happy lang. Mga lods, mga series. Ayan ang aking food for today.